Testing, testing. Are we live? Are we live? Let's see. All right. Good evening. Good morning. What's going on, everybody? What is up? Are you guys getting scared? Natatakot na ba kayo? What's up, everybody? What's going on? Why is everything down? Musta na kayo? What's up? Before we take off, we're gonna wait a few more minutes. And we're gonna go over everything today. XRP is reaching our support. Getting close. Pero sinabi ko sa'yo or sa inyo na higher lows, lower low, higher low, which is a good sign. This is the lower low and the higher low. XRP is reaching, getting close, pero as long as it stays up here, there's still about meron pang 11, 12, mga 12 hours pa bago mag-change yung yung daily candle. So the next daily candle is gonna be the confirmation na hinahanap natin. The daily candle yesterday closed very bullish, but this confirmation is needed, so we know kung saan tayo pupunta talaga. Healthy yan, okay lang yan. There's still 11, so right on the right hand side, guys, if you're using TradingView, there's a timer for each time frame of candles. Makikita nyo, 11 hours and 56 minutes left bago matapos tong session na to. That's something new, which is good para at least alam nyo on how long you have to wait for this session. Then if you go down to 4 hours, so you have about pretty much 4 more hours bago matapos tong candle na to. Right? Good morning, good evening sa Pilipinas. Maulan dito. Well, sort of. It's coming. So it's a nice day to just chill, relax. Don't worry about a thing, because everything's gonna play out the way we want it to. At least for a whole year. So, just gotta relax, chill. Mag-fishing kayo. Pagdating ko dyan sa Pilipinas, mag-fishing ako. Oh, man. And then I'm gonna be trading sa hotel with a nice Wi-Fi. But as soon as I'm done trading, I'm gonna go fishing. Di ko alam kung saan, pero I love fishing. It's a relaxing thing to do. It's a very nice relaxing hobby, other than trading and stuff like that. It's also nice to take a break. Don't forget to take a break, take your mind off. So para pagbalik nyo sa trading, refresh na kayo, may bago na kayong idea, diba? Alright, guys, before I get started with the Q&A real quick, if you're new here, welcome. My name is June, and please like and subscribe to the video. We are live Monday to Friday. I keep saying Friday. Monday to Saturday, guys. 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. What's going on? Welcome, welcome. I always like to go back to Discord and answer some of the questions there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull it up real quick and let's see. So that way everybody sees. Let's go to questions real quick. I'm just gonna go through the most recent ones. Well, at least yung mga ano. We can go. Oh, we can always go back for a couple hours and answer some of these questions. Para yeah, we'll start right here. 3 a.m. my time. Sige, let's see. Bababa po ba ang XRP? That probably ito na yung ano, pinaka lowest niya ngayon. Kasi may lower low. Let's put that lower low, and then we can clone that so we don't have to do another one, and then change it to higher low para alam niyo yung ano, yung terms pag nagte-trading kayo. May mga terms din, may ibang language din, di ba? Parang pag IT kayo, C++, different language. In trading, there's also a different language. Let's see, let's go clone that one. So what we're looking for next, guys, is right here, which is called higher high. Boom. So this is good, but we want to see a higher high right here. We need to let this daily candle finish out its session, and we need to see it above 176. So mga 176.50 or whatever, as long as it's above 176, 175, 176. Yan. Okay. So let's go back to 4 hours. Let's go back to 1 hour. So as you notice, tinanggal ko din yung support dito, pero I was trying to figure out how I can get it a straight line. But there's definitely some kind of support right down here. Like parang siyang right there. But minsan din, you need to make sure it's kind of even with this, even with these two right here, like the same I don't know, space. But yeah, higher high is what we need to see on this session right here. Yan ang hinahanap natin ngayon. So it looks like it's bouncing off the support right down here, and then this one down up here, and then we need to see it go up again, up until it's higher than dito, higher high, right? Coach, I'm planning on going long term on XRP, pero gusto ko din mag-sell at some point, sana before the dip, if ever meron. There's always gonna be a dip, pero it's we're gonna see it go up first. So first, kailangan natin i-hit yung $2, and then so usually when it finally goes up, so remember yesterday we had a second scenario with like it was something like this, and then eventually come down, which is pretty close. It's just my arrow thingy is a little bigger than what's going on here. This one's a little shorter, but eventually we needed to see that little bounce. So there's that higher high that we're looking for, if that's how it's playing out right now, and then eventually go up, and make its way up there by $2. But it's not gonna do it like all completely up. I mean, if it's very, pag malaki talaga yung volume niya, it will just break it. But usually, I'm used to seeing there's that $2 mark, that $2 resistance. I'm used to seeing it, hit it and then come down a little bit and then hit it again and then eventually break to the top. Usually, ganyan ang nangyayari. So, the reason why I can come up with these predictions is sanay na talaga ako makita yung mga ganitong trends. So, parang madami na ako nakitang stocks and crypto na lagi na lang ganito yung mga nila, yung mga sessions nila, whether if it's 1 hour, 4 hour, daily. Okay, that's why I learned na maghintay na lang ako kasi ganito talaga yun. There's several things that can happen. That's why you can say, oh, it's probably gonna do this, it's gonna go up, and then it's gonna come down, and then it's gonna go up, and then eventually make its way up higher. Or ito yung mangyayari, it's gonna go play like this sideways, and then like it's what it's doing now, and then it's gonna bounce off this line, my support here, and then eventually get higher and higher and break the main resistance, which is the $2. So we will see $2 in the near future. Baka mga this weekend nandiyan na yan. And then the next target is up here. So once na malaman nyo na yung Fibonacci retracement, how to make that line or where to place it, it is gonna provide you yung parang support and resistance na rin. So deep down here is right before. Okay, let me start right here. So right here is a support now. These are supports. This line here, this line here, this line here, this line here. These are all supports. And then up here, these are potential resistance. So right now it's trying to break this resistance with this 1 hour candle. But seems like that is not that is an easy what do you call it? It is not a problem for us to break that resistance. It's just this was this area here had the most or had the biggest volume of tawag dito, sell orders. So there's a lot of sellers in this area. Like kahapon, nangyari to kasi there was about 420 million XRP liquidated in this area here. And then there's a lot of factors then, guys, na bakit to na bumaba. Coinbase IPO kahapon was intense. Nag-open ang Coinbase sa mga $380, tapos umabot siya ng mga 400 and I think it was like $420. Then bigla na lang siyang bumaba all the way to $315 yata yun. Pero natapos yung session ng Coinbase around $328. So let me give you guys an example of how that all went down. So Coinbase IPO had a lot to do with the market yesterday, as well as there's some partnerships going on with different exchanges and different companies with different cryptos. So there's a lot going on yesterday in the back end. So ito yung nangyari kahapon. Is this Coinbase? Yeah. So I don't know why that says 600 plus. That didn't even happen yesterday. This was actually no. This is what's happening yesterday. This was all these right here. I'm gonna use another one. Yeah. Where's the 400 mark? 380. I think it started right there. Okay, so the session started right here. This was just the yung mga bidding. Nagbibid na lahat sila tapos nag-sell off. So the bidding started around $643. So the bidding happened here, went down, and then yung live session started dito sa mga $380, but it actually went up to 420, mga ganun, and then it went back down. Pinaka lowest niya was around $315, but it eventually finished out around 328. Let's go ahead. I need this info. Yeah, definitely. Maraming kailangan nyo na mga info na needed kasi sometimes what's happening in the market happens to every single crypto, especially the ones that are important to us. Let me clear this out. So let's go look at Q&A real quick. Let me answer some questions. Sorry guys, I'm not ignoring you. Pero yun po, yun ang impact ng Coinbase sa XRP, Bitcoin, lalo na sa Bitcoin, and the US stock market as well. When Coinbase nag-sell off yung Coinbase kahapon, nag-sell off din yung stock market. It was big. It was a big hit. Pero everything was also coming down towards Bitcoin. So here's what happened yesterday. Coinbase IPO was up here. BTC was at all-time high, and then bigla na lang nag-drop. So when that happened, XRP also dropped dito. Right? So let me clean this up so we can see it better. Okay. All right. Q&A. Let's see. I appreciate that, Lex. Salamat sa comment na yan. What if hindi mag-bounce sa higher low, sir? If it doesn't bounce from there and it just keeps going down, for me, sa opinion ko lang, mas bullish yung if we can come down a little lower. So eventually makikita natin yun, pero mas bullish sa akin pag even if XRP drops down to like I said, I've been waiting for this back down to 150 area. Mas bullish yun sa akin. Yeah, oo nga eh. May coffee na ako pero nakakalimutan ko yun. I need my coffee. Usually pag pagising ko, nagkakape muna ako. Yeah, let's see what else. Mas bullish, yeah. No, yun. Mas bullish sa akin pag mag-drop pa more sa yung XRP. Mas maganda yan sa long term. And then that's actually a good opportunity para sa lahat ng naghahanap ng buying area or buying zone. The opportunity to buy lower. Kasi may different types of my different types of regret. So the different types of regret is, I think there would be two types of regret. One is the not being able to buy more or buy at lower prices, right? And the second one is not buying more. Right? Sometimes, like when I was seeing this rally right up to down here, sabi ko, shit, man, I should have added some more, but it's okay. I've got plenty already. All I need to do is just wait for now until I'm ready to take profit. So There's different coins that I do day trade, but I also day trade XRP. I've have a lot in my storage, and the ones that I like to take profit on is when I say make money on the way up, is what I mean by that is when it goes up, sell around this area kasi hindi naman 100% na matatamaan natin yung pinaka peak niya. So you get opportunities na, like for example, when it goes up like this, goes down, goes up again, it kind of trades right there. So and then you need to see what kind of candles are on the peak, what they're telling you, and then you need to just set your stop loss, or not stop loss, but limit sell around this area, so that way when it does come down, you know, you got profit. And then make sure na you're always ready to buy more dito sa baba, tapos maghintay ka na lang ulit. And then day trading, if you wanna day trade real quick, really fast, kasi day trading, you need to be lagi, you know, you need to be watching the price actions. And for example, if you buy here, you can sell right here kasi may resistance na dyan. So buy support, sell resistance, and then get ready to sell, and then buy again. And then once na tumaas ulit siya, if you're waiting, you can sell here, or you can keep holding and then wait for it to run up. Pero you need to know why or when or how to hold it. So let's see what kind of wait lang. Let's see here. So you need to do your trend line. This is just an example, guys, of how to day trade real quick. Really cool information. So right there. So you buy here, support, wait. You can sell here and then buy again, support, and then you can wait for the breakout. Let's see if we can zoom in on that breakout, so that way you guys know. Okay, breakout right here happening, and then boom, breakout, wait for the retest. You can buy more here, right? Retest, resumption to higher prices, right? You can either hold, wait, whatever you want to do, but as soon as you get over here, you need to be looking for potential resistance. Okay, bago ka mag ano. So you know, I guess before you sell. But yeah, so right here you can tell that how the candles are kind of trading sideways dito. Like there's a lot of candles, 1 hour candles na nagtitrade dito. There was a potential side resistance there, but you can sell right there. You know, we're right here, and even if you know you miss out on these right here, it's okay, kasi as long as you're waiting for the opportunity, there's always one that's gonna present itself. Okay. Oh yeah, sorry, I get carried away really fast. Let's see what else. It's gonna be this weekend, or before this weekend, bago natin maano. Or yeah, it's gonna be this next couple days when ma-break natin yung $2 for sure. Hindi weeks. Week is too long. That's a long consolidation period for XRP at the moment, since it's still early on this breakout. So we're probably gonna see a this parabolic move finish out, and then if we want to move higher, we need to see that long consolidation. So the higher it moves up, guys, the longer consolidations would be. So consolidations is when it trades sideways, up down, higher low, you know, stuff like that. sometimes, like I said guys yesterday, it takes days, it takes weeks, sometimes one whole month bago natin makita ang next all-time high, right? So you have to be patient, you have to find other trades so to keep yourself busy while you're waiting for XRP to move. Ano pa? Let's see. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Welcome if you're tuning in. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Hit that notification bell. You know, I love it when I watch Wish, guys. Do you guys watch Wish? You know, when you're listening to the music, may mga kaibigan ka, tapos nagiinuman kayo, right? And then all we do is listen to Wish. Click here, click here, click here to subscribe. Let's see, time to violet. Yeah, man, and always. Yes, right now is your chance, guys, to load up because I know for a fact we're gonna go higher. No, you're not too late. Hindi ka pa huli. Can you tell us what are the best take profits? So there are gonna be a little bit more sellers taking profit at $2, but I'm telling you right now, do you guys see this? From $2 or 196 really was where the resistance is, right here. You see the top, and then it went all the way down. But anyways, that's where the biggest volume of sellers were coming from. Pero from here, once we break this, it's gonna move up really fast around this area, consolidate a bit, and then move up towards $2.37 next. And then we could possibly see kind of like a bull flag, you know, something like that, like a triangle, a small little triangle here, or it could just, you know, go up, you know, and then kind of like trade sideways for like a few hours and then break into, you know, somewhere in this area. $2.50 was my mark, my target. Yeah, once na may experience na kayo, makikita niyo talaga like yung parang, oh, this is what's gonna happen. So you need to, I don't know, just keep that in mind, be excited about it, I guess, because it's gonna go up. And then some of you guys will take profits, and it's good. I mean, you know, nothing's wrong with that. Is it going to go lower or higher? This is probably the lower the lowest it will go for now, guys, and then it's gonna continue. So right now it's still trying to break that 171 resistance. As you can see, it's right on this line, and there's that wick up there. So at one point na it broke it, pero there's still, I guess that's why this area is red. There's a lot of sellers here, but eventually the bulls will break that, no problem. Is it going to, yeah, sir. Malakas ba ang music ko? Oh my god, I'm so sorry, guys. Not that one. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Okay, let me know if that's better. All right. What else? What are indications of potential resistance, coach? Yeah, so resistance. Just look at these lines right here, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, you can. I think you can. Look at these lines right here. There's no more line over here, so you know what that means. But potential sign of resistance, we are on one right now. There's the next one there, and then there's another one. Win was doing some it had some what do you call it, some action or some movement this morning. Yeah, there it is, a breakout. So breakout alert. So it seems like it already retested right there with that little red candle. Now your buy zone for win is if it comes back down again. There's one buy zone right there. Your next buy zone is right here, right there. So buy zone number 2. Then you have another one, another chance to buy in before it goes up really crazy in this area. So you have multiple buy zones, guys. Yeah, I saw that this morning, pero I was still asleep. And then, but yeah, that's win for you guys. VeChain, man. Ganda ng news ng VeChain. Na-post ko yun sa news section. That's why just, it's going crazy. So right now, VeChain has a buy zone around these prices. So it broke out of this resistance, guys. This resistance right here. Right? And then it came down, retest what is now a support. So resistance at first, break it, comes down to retest, back test, whatever you want to call it, and it retested it. Bounce means it's pretty good support right now, and it's bouncing to probably the new price target is 22 cents. Yeah, but VeChain had a really good news yesterday. Collaborations with Salesforce, and something to do with Coinbase as well. So while everybody, all the crypto was trading off or selling off, VeChain was rallying. So it's a good thing. Let's see, what price is the best to buy today, Coach? Anytime right now is good. Coach is the new XRP Oracle. Yeah, I love XRP, but I need to learn more, guys. There's some more things that I need to learn. Oh my god, learning never stops. Thank you for the answers. Thank you so much for subscribing, guys. XLM. When XRP goes up, XLM goes up. Okay. XLM, where you at? There you are. So XLM is also trading sideways. All right, but man, when I was what do you call it? Looking for a good entry point for XLM. I think I was way down here. It was around. I know they went down like crazy. Where was that? Let me go how. Let me leave the higher. Okay. All right, there we go. It was right around here when I bought XLM, and then I said, "Oh, it's gonna go up, so I'm gonna hold it." And then eventually, it went back down, and I'm like, "What's going on?" But then again, it was a cup and handle. Right? You guys want to see what a cup and handle looks like? This is a cup and handle. Oh, wrong one. Sorry. All right, cup and handle goes down and then goes back up. The handle is formed. Once the handle is finished forming, it goes up. So let me delete that. Why is doing it? Okay. So now what we're seeing here with XLM, if you go back out to, I will stick with the 4-hour chart. Actually, I did a tech TA on this yesterday for somebody. So XLM broke out right here, came back down to retest, and it's continuing. Seems to be some pretty good amount of resistance dito, but it's eventually gonna work its way back up once XRP is starts making the move. But it's gonna trade sideways, or who knows how long it's gonna take. But I did put target prices or secure your profits over here. Depende sa'yo. So there's something called Fibonacci retracement. So let's go and show you guys how to do that. So let me clear this up. Okay, start over from scratch. Boom, boom. All right. And then what you need to do is, if you have trading view, look for this little symbol right here, like parang ganito. I just have it saved, so it's gonna be on your left hand side sa mga tools section. But I have it all saved as a favorite kasi yan lang talaga ang ginagamit ko. And then once you click on it, you need to either go at the very top or the very peak of the whatever crypto it is you want to see. So you can go anywhere. You can go here or right here. So we'll just stick around this. Just find one that looks good for you. Let's see. We can go right there. Boom. That looks good, right? So this gives you also a trend line. Okay. That gives you a trend line. Pero ganyan talaga. So Fibonacci retracement, it looks like these 4 lines here with the little circles, and then do it kind of like that. So the top of the candle, the very peak of it, the top, go all the way, wherever you want, but just whatever one looks cleaner for you. So as you can see, na once it break this resistance here, they're all actually, once it hit this resistance here, kind of came back down to this. This is what you can call a support right here. This line right here, this little trend line. You can go right there. Trade sideways until we went back up to break that resistance. Finally broke it, broke some more resistance, and then came down, stay in the support right here, went back up, and then it's trading sideways. So it's gonna trade probably until he hits this support right here and then go up. Yeah, that's how you do retracement. So BTT, I saw that it was bouncing. Let's see, where is it? Okay, I have so much in my watch list, guys. Sometimes I need to kind of reorganize them. So here it is, potential breakout alert on BTT. It's finally, remember, let me clear it. So clear all that stuff, go back to our little resistance line right here, and then the support. Boom. Tapos there's another line of support right down here. So it was trading on this triangle for a while. Sometimes you need to be careful where you do it, because sometimes it might just still be inside that little triangle and you think it's breaking out. Kaya sinabi ko potential. So we'll need to see what's happening here in this very last moment of it in the triangle. If it's gonna get rejected here, if it's gonna continue to go down here around 0.007 cents, then it's still inside this triangle, but it's still gonna play out like until it gets squeezed. Okay, once it gets really squeezed around this area, then it's definitely gonna make its really big bounce. Okay, but yeah, wait for this potential breakout. If the next 3 hours, if it stays up here and then another candle forms up here somewhere, definitely it's a breakout. BTT talks about win coach. We just went over that. So let's see here. We just did one on how to do the Fibonacci. So hopefully you can always go back to this video, guys, and just skip it until you find the right minute. So if it's gonna have a lower low, yeah, it's probably, if it does, but so far it's looking really good. If it does, it's gonna go down here to 150-ish area. Let's see what else. See, breakout, present. Welcome, guys, if you're just tuning in. Let's go to the Discord, man. I keep hearing it. I'm sorry, guys. I don't mean to ignore you. I don't know if they even know we're live. Let's let them know. What's up? Shout out to the chat, baby. How do you share this? Okay, there we go. Copy the link. Hola, ¿cómo está? There we go. We are live Monday to Friday. No, golly, there we go again. Why do I keep saying Friday? Jesus, that's embarrassing. All right, guys, I'm sorry. It's early. Appreciate you sharing that, sir. Let's see, let me see. Yeah, if you're at work, guys, be at work 100%. No matter where you are, be there 100%. If you're with your family, something I learned a long time ago, if you're with your family, be there 100% for them. If you are, I know, nasa gym, be there 100% for yourself. If you're with your friends, be there 100% for your friends. Same thing with school and same thing with work. Do your best with everything that you do, with everything that you got. Let's see what else. Coach, any tips sa paglagay ng trend line? Okay, yeah. So trend lines are like this. You can always spot them. Make sure that your lines are touching so resistance is always touching the end or the top of that candle, and then there's another top, and then there's another top. Support lines are always touching the bottom part of the candles, right? Kind of like this. So this trend ring right now, the trend right now for XRP is trading sideways, kind of like what it's doing right here. So this resistance line right here also represents the resistance that we're seeing here currently. So guys, does that make sense so far? So you can say that it's inside this a little triangle as well, but for now we can just call it trading sideways. Coach, recorded by yung stream. Yes, it's definitely recorded. You can always go back to it anytime. What else is here, guys? What else? Ano pa yung nyo? Yung favorite coin nyo? When we went over did we go over TRX? TRX. So we did go over this a couple days ago, I think. Close above this box is very bullish. Boom. Close above the box. Now it's on the way up. Once it breaks right here, it's definitely gonna go up to price target go is 17 cents. That's the first one. Dogecoin, get ready for another leg up. Get ready for another leg up. Kasi it broke out of this little triangle we had yesterday. Now it's coming down to retesting. Baka mag sideways trading until it goes up. SafeMoon, we went over to SafeMoon, pero I don't have that much data on SafeMoon on TradingView. And I even tinignan ko din sa ang tawag dito, yung coin market cap. Parang coin market cap siya na you're able to see all the different coins, and then once you click on that particular crypto, it should show you more data, the technical analysis and everything, pero wala pa ako nakikita dun. So sorry. SafeMoon, there was another one, there was Zap, or I think it was called Zap, and then ano pa yung isa, FEG. Wala pa ako baka bago yata yun. But be careful with those coins, guys, kasi with Gary Gensler being the new SEC officially, he is definitely pro crypto. So as a pro crypto, he wants to make sure that crypto flourishes. All right. He wants to make sure crypto goes to where it needs to go. Kaya he's gonna be checking yung mga fake. All right, yung hindi legit. So be careful what you're trading. I love KCS, man. KCS. Nobody really talks about KCS, but KCS, which is a exchange platform, kind of like, it's very, very similar to Binance, actually. If I can find it, there it is. Very, very similar to Binance. So pinaka-high niya is $20, something like that. But KCS, man, pay attention to this one, because the last time na trade ko to was around $5. Actually, naabutan ko siya sa $4, and then I just been riding it. But since we are here in this really big so I think the first time I talk about KCS, I talk about yung double top dito. Sabi ko, ang indication ng double top is usually it's gonna go down. Oh, why is that different? Okay, hold on. Double top right here, and then right here. Double top, and then it has the potential to go up and then down and then eventually fall, and it fell all the way down here. But there's a support right here, guys. There's support right there, so we can do your lines like this, kind of like there, and then you can draw another line right there. So this just means that even if it goes up above this resistance line, it could still trade sideways until it finally breaks out somewhere around here and goes up maybe to $18. That would be a higher high. So something like this. Higher high would be $18. And then a higher low. H bar, I think I have that. H bar. Let me look it up. H bar. Let's look at the USD. So it's trading sideways at the moment. It's been trading sideways since the 15th of March. So alam ko na once if it's trading sideways for this long, it's gonna have a big move. Let's see how big. So price target niyan is 74 cents. First is gonna break out and then 45 cents first, but yeah, it's gonna go up here somewhere. Dito muna. 2017 was when I started trading. March March of 2017. It's been a long time. But I didn't know, hindi ko na tutuan yung technical analysis until malapit na sa 2019. Pero it didn't take me long to learn technical analysis. Maybe 3 months to learn as much as I can. Pero ganyan talaga ako pag like na I find something in interest. I take my time to learn. Especially if I'm very interested, I like to take my time. Yeah, win is good. KuCoin, man. One of my favorite coins, man. So humahabol yan sa Binance. Who do you think is gonna be really good in the long run, right? Is it Binance or is it gonna be KuCoin? KuCoin, man, good stuff. I love their layout. I love their the exchange is very easy to use, and they sell XRP sa US. So I think I have them in my description. I don't know. I can't remember. But I should. I better. May account ako sa KuCoin. Ginagamit ko sila minsan pag gusto ko pa mag-add ng XRP. Pero marami ding exchanges dito na I can use for. But minsan nag-acting up yung ibang exchange dito. So gagamitin ko KuCoin. KuCoin is like usually my last resort. Hot. Let's see, hot. So, there's this one thing I noticed about crypto. So, seems like there's always a rotation going on. So, like for example, hot, 1, and then BTT. All of those coins were going crazy while everybody else was not. Wow, So, oh look, BTT is at support or resistance. Yeah. I don't know if we were talking about this earlier, but it's getting close to a breakout. Hot. It's trading sideways. So up to here, had a little head and shoulders, and then I thought it was there's that, and then there's that, and then there's another line of support right here. So once it's a support at one time. Once it breaks, kind of like what it did here, broke this support, and now it bounced off the last support, which is a really stronger. This is a stronger support. It bounced there. It had to break this resistance. Now this becomes resistance. It had to break this resistance, and now what it's doing is it's coming down to retest this support now. So you should see a bounce on holo hot. So something like that. You could say it's like that as well, you know. Something like that, guys. Um, yeah, Gary Gensler is gonna be good for XRP. Yeah. Learning candlesticks is one of the most important thing you need to learn, I guess, because it tells you what's happening in that session. Who's winning the battle between the bears and the bulls? Actually, I have a cheat sheet. So you guys can just do this for free. You go to Google. Google nyo lang yung different candlesticks. So, for example, dito. There you go. It gives you somewhat of 1 second, guys. There we go. It gives you an explanation of the different candle, or not the different candles, but what's happening. Red candle, and this is the green candle. Usually it's green. I have it on white on mine. All-time high for KCS. I don't know. Good question though, kasi hindi pa tapos ang Hindi pa tapos ang bull cycle. It barely started. I don't know if it even started yet, but it's barely starting. So who knows what the price is for KCS during this bull cycle. It could be, I don't know, $50 to $100, something like that. But don't count on it. You never know. This could be the top of it. But I'm saying bull cycle's not finished yet, so yeah, probably gonna be a lot higher than this. Yeah, subscribe to the video or subscribe to the channel. I am giving away $100 of XRP, $100 worth of XRP at the end of the month. And the more we grow, the more, I guess, support that we get for the channel and the Discord channel as well. The more giveaways we can do. So, because we're able to hire in more moderators, because I'm not gonna be there all the time. Like sometimes may kailangan akong gawin or whatever. Pero I'm gonna try my best. I mean, we have cell phones now. So fellas, guys, pag hindi mo tinetext girlfriend mo and you have a cell phone, it takes 1 second. Just kidding. Well, it kind of does. It really does take 1 second. Same thing with with the Discord guys. If I'm busy, I'll try to look at my Discord and try to answer a few questions. What else? Yeah, you can always go back to maybe 10-15 minutes ago and rewatch the video about Win. Yeah, Win it's gonna be good. Don't forget to catch it. He said more power, like Son Goku. To safely do day trade. Day trading is actually pretty easy. Basta alam mo yung support and resistance para malaman mo kung saan yung price, where it's at. Is it perfect time to buy, or is it time to sell, or is it time to wait? Just always wait, and always change your time frame, Same thing goes with the spot trading. Change your time frame either to 1 hour, 4 hour. Even if you have to go down to 1 minute, 1 minute time frame, you know, it's just so that way you can find the trend. For example, we were just talking about it. KCS is at support right now, but you need to wait. You don't need to place a trade right here. You don't need to place an order. You need to wait because, okay, I don't know if I explained this yet, pero kailangan mo talaga maghintay dito sa loob ng candle kasi there's always a potential that it can go down, break down. You gotta remember that. Don't say I didn't warn you, but there's always a potential of it going down. So it's an either way trade. Kung magsushort ka, then you still need to wait. It's possible kasi it's inside this triangle, and then you need to make sure na confirm na talaga yung like say it breaks out to the top. It's definitely gonna go up higher. All-time high this month. There's still about another 15 days left over on this month. So wait lang. Yeah, it's definitely possible, but the all-time high so far is about $20. It just hit all-time high. It's definitely following Binance Coin. So buy BNB kung gusto nyo mong i-trade to. It's still inside this triangle. The buy zones are within this area, but my buy zone, if you're looking to buy, is the breakout and the retest. But you need to keep an eye on it. Buy zones are, sometimes I'll say, you can buy here inside the triangle. If it's an uptrend also, you need to make sure and confident na it's gonna go up. Let's see. SIA. Ano ba ako na? Let me know if I'm talking way too much in English. Help me practice Tagalog, man. Pag uwi ko sa Pilipinas, oh my God, I'm gonna get killed. Sisigawan ako ng mga tita. Mag-Tagalog ka nga. What was it? SIA? Ala, meron na pala ako natanggal. Okay. There it is. Wait, is it? Let's see. Yeah. So I think we talked about this a couple days ago. Double top. So the breakout would be right up here. Right now it's bouncing this support. So your buy zones are anywhere here. You can or even if it goes down here, you can still buy, but somewhere in this area. In this area here, that's our buy zones. Yung 196 resistance sa XRP. It could be tomorrow or by Saturday. I don't know, Friday night or something. I don't know. It's gonna be a while kasi daily candle has about 10 more hours, 11 more hours left, and it needs to close above 76. So 176. As you can see, it's kind of working its way up there. So there's 11 more hours to go. As long as it closes above 175, 176, we are good to go launching. So right now, it's still trying to break that 171 candle or resistance. Nakikita nyo? Boom. So it seems like it's getting close to breaking out that resistance right there. Man, good question. Yung pinaka-peak ng XRP, something tells me 30 to $50. $30 to $50. Because, so here's the deal. Here's the crazy part about this whole thing. Sa 2017, nung first experience ko sa crypto, there is that one whole year of bull cycle sa lahat ng crypto. Pero hindi sila nag-rally until the end of the year, closer to 2018. And then yeah, so it was later in the year bago sila nag-rally sa all-time high. So XRP went from 40 cents to $3.96 within a short period of time, which was, yeah, it was really, really crazy, parabolic move. But what we are witnessing this year in the beginning of 2021 is the rally is actually happening sa beginning of the year, and Bitcoin is targeting over $100,000 in price, even possible $300,000. So iba na yung yung nangyayari ngayon sa crypto space as well as the stock market space. Kasi I think a lot of it happened or caused because of COVID-19. And so for some reason 2020 maraming retail investors were introduced to trading. There's a lot more retail traders that's joining now more than ever before. So kailangan we have to keep all that in mind kasi everybody's just excited about what's investing, I guess. But it's also the fact that there's lockdowns happening and people are staying home more often, and then people are looking into trading. So there are actually some statistics sa Google on how many times how to trade crypto was searched just during 2020 versus the previous years. So feeling ko lang there's gonna be another cycle or bull cycle for crypto, and the DeFi space is actually going to stay when everything else is going to be bearish once this bull cycle ends. But there's definitely something in the air, right? For crypto, something big is gonna happen soon. I don't know what it is, but I can tell you that this time is different. So you gotta keep those things in mind. So the more time you guys spend with researching, reading, things like that, in your field, whether if it's trading crypto, trading the stock, or it doesn't matter what kind of career. If you're gonna be a nurse, you're gonna do whatever you can to learn about becoming a nurse. you know then you start to find out what surrounds that atmosphere of becoming a trader or becoming a nurse, right? So if you're gonna learn, you're gonna learn. You don't just jump into something without learning, right? With that being said, there's, like I said, this is gonna be different. This year is a different time. 2021 changed a lot of people. There's more people working at home, more people staying home, and for some reason, people had more money during 2020. Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot more shopping. Amazon stock goes up because there's people shopping at home. Let's see. A lot of maraming businesses na nag-change din sila kasi dahil sa COVID. Lahat majority mga business na they figured out that, you know what, we're gonna do this, we're gonna start selling online more often because people always look online. It's more convenient for them, and people are scared to go outside now, and so they rather stay home and be like, I'm just gonna get this stuff online. So you guys are, like I said, in history. You guys are on the verge of discovering something. So keep at it. Maybe you never really know where it's gonna take you. So as we watch XRP do its thing, we need to take a look at what's happening in the total market cap of altcoins as well. It's doing the same thing. It's just trading sideways. Finally hit a resistance right there. BTC dominance is also trading sideways. So these are indicators that nothing is moving right now. BTC at 62, trading sideways. So it's normal. It's normal for this stuff to happen. ADA Cardano is moving sideways around this resistance area, resistance support area. So when everybody figured, or when everybody panicked, when everything started shutting down, it was the crypto and the stock market was in panic mode. What's going on? Parang the end of the world already. So people were liquidating yung positions nila. So but later on, eventually, it literally took 1 month or so for everything to recover. But as far as crypto goes, since hindi siya fiat, hindi siya regular currency, it's digital currency, you can pretty much say it's safer to be in crypto versus having regular fiat currency or investing in stocks, because the difference between crypto and the stock market is crypto is more, it's online, right? Versus it doesn't have any buildings, or it doesn't have I don't know, products that it can offer at the moment that COVID can affect. Versus, for example, a stock like Amazon, it'll get affected at first, but then as powerful as Amazon is, it's probably, you can't really compare that to for example, what's a good example? it's like something that shut down. For example, like Hertz got bankrupt. Airports shut down, so their price went lower because nobody is able to go inside the airport and travel. Things like that. It was you don't need it. It wasn't needed at that point because there was a lockdown. Versus Amazon stock, people were just like, okay, well, we need to stay home. We're gonna spend money on just buying shit, right? And so Amazon is, it was affected at first, but then it recovered fast. Versus the airlines company, they did not recover as fast. It took them a while. So being in crypto, like I said, this year is going to be different. And even if we recover from COVID, I think it's crypto is still going to be around because of the digital currency. The world is moving towards this right now. China's just happened to be the leading one, Korea and Japan. So basically the whole Asia, except United States. United States is so slow. We used to say, oh man, Asia's probably really slow, but now who's talking, America, you need to catch up. What's up, Kai? Welcome back. Welcome back. If you haven't subscribed and liked the video, guys, please do it now. Our services here is free. We do educational stuff, entertainment things. Hopefully you guys are learning from this. We're all about education. We are all about making sure you guys are the best that you can be to trade. That way you guys are not losing any money. You guys are actually making money. So that is why we are here to provide these type of services. All we ask is support the channel. Usually we would like to ask for like donations and things like that, but it's okay. None of that really matters. We don't really care about it. But it do help support the channel. We can invest more into either the channel or the Discord, and it would be great. But for now, it'll be all right. What do you think about Lost? Is that a crypto for real? Lost? Is that like an I or IOST? Yes, it is. Same thing, bull flag. So it's trading like right here. Do you guys see it? Everything seems to be the same, right? It's right there. Everything seems to be stuck in a triangle. So does that mean if there's so many triangles right now, if there's so many altcoins trading sideways, does that mean altcoin is gonna go crazy? Seems like it. Boom, it's gonna break out of here soon. One thing I hate about I don't know, maybe it's just Texas. Sa Pilipinas wala akong allergy. Pagdating ko dito nagka-allergy ako. Shit, man. So keep an eye on the total market cap for altcoins, because this will indicate all the altcoins going crazy. So you can see XRP is finally breaking that resistance. Anybody into GTO? GTO is good time to buy. Right now here, it's currently sitting at supports. Last place of support was right here. It's been consolidating for a while, trading sideways. It's a good sign. BTC is on the way up. Ethereum, buy zone. I would not catch this though. This looks like it's forming a head and shoulders, but it's not complete, so I wouldn't catch Ethereum. Man, we need to go back to the Discord because I keep forgetting to answer these questions. I am so sorry, guys. Okay, so there's really nothing new. No new member. Okay, cool. What's that? That cat loves that massage. Let's see here. So yeah, so let's go back to XRP and talk about why I think it's gonna go to $6 real soon. So as you can see, if I zoom out a little bit, right, we're currently right here. So let's go ahead and get rid of some of these lines, clean it up a little bit. Sorry, let's clean up some of these things. There we go. That way you guys are able to see what's up, what's happening. All right. Where is my... Where is it? Hold on one second, guys. Let me find it. I guess I need to save that as my favorite too because I use it pretty often. So XRP is currently on this little curve pattern. Can you guys see that? There you go. Looks better, right? All right. So think of this red curve as a support. Yeah, tips for beginners: learn support, resistance, learn how to do trend lines para malaman, like malaman kung saan ka magja-jump in, things like that. Yeah, XRP is bouncing. So the road to $6, all right, if you do your Fibonacci retracement right here, up from this point to this point right here, which is the $1.30 area, it takes you to the maximum price target of $4.09. Okay. Now, since XRP, right? So you have to think about XRP's history of trading sideways. And definitely I call XRP as a lagger. You have to think about the longer XRP or any crypto stock, the longer it consolidates, it moves really big, especially pag undervalue ang crypto. So XRP is probably the most undervalued crypto, in the whole crypto space right now. So, and you have to think about the news surrounding XRP, as well as the utilities that XRP has to offer pretty much globally, right? So one thing, the listing of XRP into the different exchanges that halted, not delisted, they halted the trading for XRP. Once they started, or once they start, or once they enable, I guess is the better word, enable the trading again sa XRP's price is gonna go up. So that could be around here or around up here. Hindi natin alam kung kailan talaga mangyayari yung news na yon. But alam natin na maganda lahat ng story or news ng XRP, right? And then XRP's price movement is also another thing that we gotta keep in mind. It's been going up. And it's been going up big. I think it's up 500%, right? So once we break out of this $2 mark, it's gonna stop around 240, 250 area, and it's gonna consolidate again, right? But before we go higher, let's see, maybe to $3, we need, like I said earlier, we need to see some type of retracement again somewhere. I guess, let's see, somewhere back down here. It's like I said, like another chance to hitting $1.50 again. But it's not gonna be a big red candle. It's gonna be a candle with a tail on it. It's gonna push that price back up so fast, kind of like yung nangyari sa kahapon. Let me see if I can go zoom in on that. So you're gonna see the higher XRP goes, the higher, or the more bigger percentage of it going down. Kind of like what happened here. Yung correction niya is gonna be about 30%, 15 to 30% all the time. So you're gonna see the candle go all the way down to, let's see, what was this, 155 yesterday. But ang bilis niya ulit tumaas above 165, because anything down here would be really, really low, and it's a good buying price for XRP, right? Kaya this candle was happening so fast. So good job kung nakuha mo yung price dito. I think oh man, I can't remember her name. Park something. I don't know if she's here right now, but man, she got in like around here. I was like, wow, that's pretty good, because this was happening so fast. Okay. But yeah, any candle that like, if let's say XRP is up here, right, it goes down and it hits a really good price for buyers, it's gonna wick up, kind of like what happened here. So it's gonna come down, but it's only a wick. Hindi yung full red candle, it's gonna be a wick. Yung para siyang tail, right? So it's gonna get bought up really fast. But that's what's gonna happen. But on the way up, it needs to happen, right? So just this session here indicates that we are heading towards $4.09 or 10 cents. Just this indicator here. So the Fibonacci retracement, that's what that tells you. It's just a matter of how long it's gonna take to get there. How about WAXP? AXP. Waxp. How do you even say that? What is that? What company is that? What do they do? Trading sideways. Oh, 8:30 na pala. Ngayon ko lang natapos kape ko. Ang lamig na. Yeah, so WASP is still on the uptrend. Pinaka last support niya is right down here, and a double top indicates that it was gonna go down anyways, so it went down. This is the price target, and then it got bought up up above this line, came down, retest, went up, came down, retest ulit. So it might happen again, but then again, ito yung nangyayari ngayon. So as you can see now, there are higher highs, higher lows. You guys see that? Lower low, and then what we should see here next is a move up. If it's gonna trade sideways, it's gonna move up, hit this resistance, go down again, then you'll see another higher low, but it needs to stay within that trend. So something like that. Okay, so it's gonna keep on moving up until it is ready to break out of right here, and then eventually break out of here. That is WAXP. My charting tool is TradingView. You can actually go to tradingview.com and use it there. It's very limited, but you don't need to pay for it. It's actually it's absolutely free, and you don't need much. I don't even use the full feature. I don't care about it. hindi ko na kailangan yung mga yung full feature nila. Maybe one day. Yeah, we went over win earlier, but we can definitely go back to it. So it's still in progress of yung breakout niya. I did say check back so weekend, huh? It's happening so fast. So sometimes you do get a little off on the time frame, but still, these movements right here, it's good sign. It broke out, retest, and it's breaking out of this resistance here. So yung mga arrows those are buy points, buy zone, and if it break out above the dito this resistance line, you have a buy zone dito sa taas before it goes up on the next target. Next target niya is right there, and then the possible next target niya is right here, and a full breakout would be right here, which is the craziest breakout. Potential sign of price target First, it is 0.003 cents. Will it ever hit $1? Maybe one day. I'll give it about 10 years. Kaya long term lahat, di ba? Long term. XRP above 175. So that's a good sign. All right. Good sign yan. We were talking about XRP finishing out the daily session. It'll be done sa mga 10 hours later, but it needs to close above 175, 176. So around these prices, which would be considered as a hammer candle, and that would be very bullish. Gets nyo? Alright. So, okay lang yan. Don't panic. Look at the 1 hour or the 4 hour time frame. The drops are not as scary versus the 1 minute and the 5 minute candles or time frame. Anybody else have any crypto you want me to look at? Let's see. What's TP for XRP? Take profit? Oh, 250. Bump it up to 250. $2 is no longer a question. 250 is the new price target. How do you determine what crypto coin to invest in? Features and uniqueness, utility, Punday. We were looking at Punday yesterday, and I was pretty impressed with the website, the way it looks, the way they have a payment system that they're utilizing. I can't remember where you at though. There it is. It seems like it's gonna be something that has the potential to be big in Asia. Is a payment system called Expose. There it is, guys. Look at this, the way it's set up. You can go to About Us, read about their vision, the team, the CEO and co-founder, and as well as their contact information. You can go to their facts section, read the press, and as well as their partnerships and where they were featured in. So yeah, here we go. So these will help you determine if it's a good company to invest in. CNN is a pretty big thing here in America. Forbes. So if you guys want to know if I'm legit, kung si Jun Tejada legit, search my name on Google, Jun Tejada. I'm not saying you have to invest in me, but as you can see, my previous company, I am in a magazine, right? That's me. Hey. My little story about how I started. Tumaba ako dito, man. That's me. For all the doors they slammed on us, we are coming to buy the building, guys. So, a couple of my partners, Filipino din sila. Alright. So, if you're ever wondering kung legit ako, Google my name, Jun Tejada. May sarili akong insurance company. and then it tells you how I made it. So basically, Voyage Houston is yung para silang magazine, and they ask you how you know what makes you different, and how are you doing the things that you're doing, compared to yung mga the rest of the insurance companies or whatever company you do within your field. So, mga ganyan. um, so yeah, that's what I do. So guys, Business Insider is good. Things like that, Market Watch. That's what I wanna. That's one of my favorite, news websites is Market Watch. But yeah, Panday X is really good. Autograph. I should get y'all's autograph. You guys are awesome. What make you interested with XRP? Oh man, there's so many things. It's been a love and hate relationship between me and XRP. For the past couple years, it's been a love and hate relationship with me and XRP for the past several years actually. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Parang relationship, nag-aaway lagi. Up kami one day, down kami one day. But I'm a huge follower of XRP. The things that they're doing, crypto they are pretty much the bridge for crypto right now. You could go down here and read a little bit more about them, but they are doing a lot of things. They are partnering up with several companies, especially banks. They recently partnered with the Swiss. Here, I'll show you guys. This was one of the big news that came out. Where's you at? Where you at? Whoa, my internet just went really slow. What happened? Wait lang guys, ha? Sorry. It's not that bad. My upload speed. Hello. Yeah, for some reason it went slow, but anyways. There we go. There was a news about Swiss and XRP partnering up, but yeah, I lost it. I wanted to read it to you guys. Lots of good stuff. So yeah, that's on the news. I don't know. I can't find it. But anyways, yeah, no, it's because of the utility. The utility, man. Yung upload speed is actually really slow. It's just actually the minimum right now. It's running at 10 megabits per second. I needed it was higher. I think it just depends time of the day, but usually around malapit sa evening dito, umaabot siya ng 16 to 20 megabits per second. Yeah, gotta stay humble. Stay humble always. Kasi lola ko ang nagano sa akin nagturo sa akin. Oh my god. You don't even want to hear that story. Actually, so when I was growing up in the sa Pilipinas, when yung kasi hindi ko alam yung tunay na tatay ko. Well, I do know him now, finally, right? Finally. I know him a little bit, but he wasn't there. Like me growing up, you know, I think I was isang taon lang yata or two when he left, and then pwede pa TA when mamaya, sorry, makapasok. You can either fast forward or rewind, whichever one you want to do, to win. But here, I'll pull it up for you though. Win. There it is. So yeah, I'd put the different buy zones around win right now. So you can wait till it goes down here. Wait till it goes down here. You know, it's up to you. Long term lang talaga. Keep it long term. Go long on this one. Go long because it's still got a long way for big breakouts. You see that? Big breakout. That's what you want to look for. But it's trading sideways for a while, so we could see like a big candle and then down, and then a big candle and then down. So it's like an up and down situation right here. Possible scenario is a cup and handle. All right, and it's gonna go down, create that handle, and then go up. That's a possible scenario. Yeah, let me see here. There we go. All right. Yeah, man. Growing up, man, lola ko talaga nag-raise sa akin. Dami ko natutunan doon. Sinasampal ako pag hindi ko kinakain ng pagkain ko sa dinner table, man. Pag nagsasalita ako, naglalaro, ay, sampal. Kaya ngayon, I still remember. And that's one thing I will never forget. No matter where you are. Well, it is almost that time, guys, before we call it, I guess, a day. I guess you guys are about to go to sleep soon. So, but as for now, ladies and gentlemen, we are live Monday to Saturday, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. And I hope you guys like the video. Subscribe. We are giving away that $100 towards the end of the month, April 30th. And yeah, I guess that's it for today, guys. Catch me on the Discord and ask me anything there. I am usually pretty active. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys. See y'all later. Thank you so much for watching, okay? Thank you. No, I'm not mining. If I am interested in mining, I'm gonna build my own equipment. Thank you, guys. Thank you. See y'all later. See y'all on Discord. Ask me anything on Discord. Bye-bye.